Hello, I'm Dr. Ayleen, and what we're going to talk about now is a way to be able to have more tools to manage what's going on in your life. There's a phrase called the eye of the storm, and with a lot of hurricanes happening, and depending on where you live, the eye of the storm may be a very common phrase for you. What the eye of the storm is it is that place of peace. I spent time in Louisiana, and I was there during Hurricane Andrew. And one of the things that was fascinating was when we reached that place of the eye of the storm, there was a stillness. There was a very intense energy to it. The birds weren't even singing, but it was bright and sunny as if nothing had happened. And then after a while, we could feel the winds pick up. We all need an eye of the storm. We all need a way to be able to bring ourselves to a place of peace, a place of balance in the face of the chaos. The chaos doesn't go away. It's constant. Life happens. And what we can do is be able to find a place of peace to at least catch our breath. Because sometimes the difference between being able to hold on and being lost is that moment you can take a breath. That's what I want to share. I've been able to learn a few tricks, gain a few tools, and what I would like to do is set up coursework that will be available for anybody who wants to take a deeper look at being able to manage their world a little bit more gently. Now, one of the things that most people wonder is exactly what's the difference between the storm and the eye of the storm? And usually that gets hard to define when you've never known that peace, when you're in just a state of constant aggravation. It's always something. And it can be really hard to understand what that means to be able to find that moment of peace. Once you find it, you know it. And I'll show you ways that you'll be able to find it. The difference between the eye of the storm and the storm is simply that you have a moment to gather your thoughts, to choose, because it's in the eye of the storm that you have choice. You are acting, you're not reacting. And that can be really crucial. Now, the main thing to remember about the eye of the storm is that it always passes. You cannot spend all of your time in the eye of the storm. Wouldn't it be a wonderful world if we could? But we also wouldn't learn much. The storm is what allows us to grow. The storm makes us strong. The point of the eye of the storm is to allow you to be able to focus on the truth of the storm, to see it for what it really is. It's not so overwhelming when you're able to take it and go, okay, this is the situation. Now, what do I want to do with it? All I'm showing is a way. I don't believe in the way. It may be the way for you, but that doesn't mean it's the way for everyone. So what I share, and many of these concepts, they're not new, and there's always a new perspective to look at them with.